Did you know the Google Opinion Rewards app is a simple way to earn Google Play credit or even PayPal credit in some regions by answering short surveys? All you have to do is download this app, Google Opinions Rewards, on either the Google Play Store or AppleAppStore, and you set up your account by providing basic information about yourself such as your name, age, gender and location. This then helps Google send you relevant surveys. You then wait for a survey to come, and this typically comes in around a week. When you receive a notification, you open the app, and surveys are usually short and they take up to a couple of minutes or less. Questions can range from your opinion on products and services to your travel plans or shopping habits. For each completed survey, you'll earn credit that can be used to purchase apps or games, movies, books and more on the GooglePlayStore. The amount can vary based on the surveys, but typically it could be from 8 cents up to 70 cents roughly. Now obviously it's not lucrative, as you'll see in my history, but it's a very simple way to complete short surveys, and it's an easy way to build up credit that you can put off a couple of purchases on the stores. I'll just show you the app now, so I'll open this. So I currently have one survey awaiting answers and I have 1 hour expiry on it. I have €1.04 credit. Just to note some tips to maximize your earnings. So you have to make sure you've all your options done for the survey eligibility. So make sure you have your notifications on, you've added your age and all the extras. Also in the settings, make sure your Google location history is on if you wish. Therefore, this allows Google to send you surveys related to places you visit, potentially increasing the number of surveys you receive. Surveys may have limited availability, so respond quickly when you get them. And provide honest answers, so your responses help businesses make better decisions. So be truthful on your feedback. I'll just show my reward history now. So I've had this, so you can see I've made €10.67 as of the 8th of September, and I have used this since June 2023. And you have a lot of 8 cents on a weekly basis, and then as of late I've started to get slightly bigger surveys, one earning 71 cents, another 28 cents and another 60 cents. I'll now perform that survey. So just a fine print basically. So which of the following places have you recently visited? So was at Lidl and none others. I was actually there today doing the weekly shop, so I'll just put in today. Which of the following best describes your visit? I made a payment during my visit. Done. So that's a quick short survey. It'd probably be 29 cents. Very good. Okay, so like that, if I go to my history, that should automatically apply. So I now have €10.96. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to find more of my videos. Thank you.